Hello everyone, this is ProfSanaAnsari, and today we're going to discuss about a practical question of branch account which is totally based on debtors method. And in this video we're going to discuss about how to calculate the closing amount of, and we can say, closing balance of debtors. Friends, I would like to inform you, in my previous video I have already discussed about the theory part of branch account and as well as the basic question of branch account and as well as how to calculate the furniture amount when it's missing. So friends, if you want to watch that videos too related to the branch account, so I'm going to share the link on my description box, and please just subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. So here we can start our today's question. So we have a question that is, you can see illustration 5 in your accountancy textbook semester 2. So let's start our today's question. So first, friends, we need to just read the question properly, then only we will solve this. Okay, so just start reading from the start. Debtors closing balance wala sum hai ye. So let's proceed to our question. Following information is given to you from the books of Shivam Law Agency for its branch at Virar for the financial year 2013 and 14. Prepare Virar branch account in the books of Shivam Law Agency. Here we have to first find out the head office name and the branch name. So here you can say following information given to you from the book of Shivam Law Agency. So I can say Shivam Law Agency is the head office and its branch name is Virar. Okay, so here we have to prepare the Virar branch account in the books of Shivam Law Agency. So let's proceeds to the further. Here we have a balance as on 1st April 2013. 1st April, so you can say that it's nothing but the opening amount of branch debtors, stock and cash. So this is what called the opening balance of the assets, and you're already aware about the opening balance of assets will always go on the debit side of branch account. So the three of this will go to the branch account debit side. And the next one is balance as on 31st March 2014. 31st March will consider it as a closing. So here we can say it is nothing but called closing balance of assets. And the closing balance of assets will go on the credit side of the branch account. Here we have a transaction during 2013 to 14. So one by will deal with it. Goods sent by head office. Goods sent, it means goods transfer by head office. To whom? To the branch. If the goods sent by head office to branch, then branch will receive the goods. If the branch receive the goods, so friends, these will go the debit side of branch account, because the branch will receive whatever we receive, it will mention, it will go and it will record on the debit side. So it will record on the debit side of branch account. Then we have next, friends, that is cash sent by head office for petty cash. Cash sent by head office. Cash is transferred by the head office to branch. Again the branch will receive the cash, whatever the cash head office has sent to it. So again the branch will receive, so it will mention on the debit side of the branch account because it's received. Then the next one is goods lost at branch. Goods lost at branch. If the goods lost at branch, so no entry will be passed for this because here we have to ignore it. And the next one is credit sales. So now credit sales, it's nothing but the sale. Let's proceed. Okay. So here we are supposed to make debtors account. So credit sales will be go on the debtors account, credit debit side. Okay, we'll see to it later. Then we have next one, insurance claim received by branch. Okay, insurance claim जो है branch के through से receive किया गया है. So no entry for the insurance claim. Goods जल गया, insurance किया, no entry will be passed for this. Then cash receipts from the debtors, so it will go on the debtors account. Okay. Then discount allowed debtors account. Bad debts, debtors account. Goods returned by debtors, मतलब ये sales return है, debtors. ब्रांच एक्सपेंसेस पेड बाय हेड ऑफिस, अब हेड ऑफिस ने ब्रांच के कुछ एक्सपेंसेस पेड किए हैं, ओके, दैट इज सैलरी रुपीज 320, एडवर्टीजमेंट 780. ब्रांच एक्सपेंसेस पेड बाय हेड ऑफिस, सो हेड ऑफिस ने पे किया होगा, सो अगेन द अमाउंट विल रिसीव टू द ब्रांच, सो डेबिट. देन अमाउंट रेमिटेड बाय ब्रांच टू हेड ऑफिस, अमाउंट ट्रांसफर किया गया बाय ब्रांच टू हेड ऑफिस, सो ये होगा credit. Okay, so let's start our today's question here. Solution. First we have to mention in the books of head office, Shivam Law Agency, and branch account where are debit, credit, particulars, amount. Okay, so let's begin our today's topic, today's solution. Just give me a minute. सो देन फर्स्ट यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे. फर्स्ट वी हैव ओपनिंग बैलेंसेस ऑफ एसेट्स, सो इट विल गो ऑन द ब्रांच अकाउंट डेबिट साइड. So here we have to mention it. If it is opening, so we are supposed to write two balance brought down, branch debtors, stock and cash, 1200, 600 and so. As you can see, 1200, 600 and 100 about the opening assets. Then we have next one, balance as on 31st. It's nothing but the closing. So closing we are supposed to write, we are supposed to mention it on a credit side. So closing balance of assets, debtors, cash and stock, credit side आ गया. Then transaction during 2013, here we are supposed to make debtors account too. Okay, so here we'll see to it. So transaction during 2013 and 14. Then goods sent by head office, head office ने goods भेजा, so branch will receive, so it will mention on the debit side 7800. Goods sent to branch 7800. Then next is cash sent by head office to petty expense. Again the cash sent by head office, branch will receive amount rupees 2000. To cash sent by head office 2000. And the next, credit sales, goods lost as at branch, no entry. Credit sales, here we have to mention credit sales on debtors account debit. Credit sales, because whenever we are making debtors account, so we'll get some figures, and otherwise if we are supposed to count, we are supposed to find out the credit sales, so we are making debtors account, so credit sales will always go on a credit side, debit side. Then we have another one, insurance claims received by branch, no entry. Cash receipts from debtors, debtors account debit, because the cash receipts from the debtors. Okay, then debtors account, cash receives किया from the debtors, so debtors के account से cash जाएगा, because receive किया किसी ने, so debtors के account से तो गया, so that is why credit side. And then discount allowed, credit, क्योंकि डेटर्स के अकाउंट से तो जा रहा है डिस्काउंट. देन वी हैव बैड डेब्ट्स भी क्रेडिट, एज यू कैन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन. एंड द लास्ट नेक्स्ट वन इज गुड्स रिटर्न बाय डेटर्स, इज नथिंग बट द सेल्स रिटर्न. डेटर्स ने गुड्स को रिटर्न किया, दैट इज नथिंग बट विच इज नथिंग बट कॉल्ड एज सेल्स रिटर्न, अमाउंटिंग रुपीज 100. We can complete it till here. And branch expenses paid by head office, salary and advertisement. Branch का खर्चा head office ने pay किया for the salary and the for advertisement. So is nothing but branch has received the funds from the head office. That is why it will record on the debit side of branch account. And the another one is amount remitted by branch to head office. Amount has transferred from the branch to head office, so branch account credit side, because amount has transferred from the branch. Okay, so here we have to mention it to bank 8,460. So we have completed this but still first we have to complete the debtors closing balance, because closing balance of debtors was not given to us, but the opening balance of debtors has given to us. But what about the debtors? It's not given to us. That is why we made the debtors account here. So here we have to calculate and we have to tally this, and then whatever the balance figures will get, it will called as closing debtors. So here we have to tally this. You will get the closing balance amount on the credit side of debtors account, then we have to mention it on the branch account closing debtors. So as you can see here, then we have to tally and figure out all this debit and credit particulars, then you will get the difference balance here and the credit side. So you have to just write the by general P&L account. So friends, here we have completed this question. If anybody have any doubt and difficulty, so you can make a comment on my YouTube channel. That's all enough for today. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Take care.